right now from the shores of Santa Monica, California, as this graphic is heating up right now this big night. Treasury yields are now rising to the highest levels in 3 months right this evening, amid potential for larger rate hikes for the Federal Reserve. The 10-year note rose to a 4.718% tonight, and the 10-year rose to a 3.92%. Those are both the highest levels we have seen on this channel since November 2022. What is the significance of this major bond rally tonight? It's breaking news on a big evening as final round action from the Genesis Open by the shores of Santa Monica, California is underway. Let me go over the significance of that Treasury run right now. Treasury yields, of course, mirror inflationary concerns. If you believe that rates are going to go higher, then Treasury yields are going higher. Without going into the issue of a yield curve inversion, which confuses some people, I want to tell you, these Treasury yields are getting very fascinating, and their movements left and right are really getting very dramatic right now. Let's look at those numbers right again, one more time. The 3-year note is right now at its highest level in over 2 years, practically, since November 2022. That 2-year note is now at 4.718%. That's really high, folks. The 10-year bond is now at a 3.929 right now. Again, the highest level we've seen since November 2022. What is the concern? The concern is more interest rate spikes from Jay Powell and the Federal Reserve. Likely to happen? Absolutely. And why is the bond yields moving so dramatically? Because they believe it's not priced into the markets. And when it's not priced into the markets, they want to assess the risk, and they want to assess the risk by trading up the note so that if it does happen, that we're already at that point across the board. Do we see anything else indicative of that tonight? Let's jump over some stocks in just a second, but first let's go over some crypto. Is crypto impacted by yield curve inversions? Absolutely. Yield curve inversions impact everything across the board. The day started with Bitcoin relatively flat at a 24,000 valuation, Ethereum at a 1,600 valuation. They were flat when we went on air this morning. Decentraland at the time flat as well at about a 71-cent pop. These were our breakout coins of Sunrise, all in that membership newsletter. Have you become a member? That membership newsletter features your breakout coins every day, which we'll go over those in a second. But where are we right now? Let's jump in some live charts right at the time of this broadcast, which is 1 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time on a beautiful Sunday. This is a live chart right now. So this is the Decentraland right today. It is a green one-day chart. It was red on afternoons, slightly green because the one-day is now slightly popped up. Here's BIT. If you watch the afternoon show, which aired right before this one, BIT was slightly red. Now it's slightly green. And what's going on? Let's jump in the chart right now. I am with you. That is HME, the 1 week chart. Let's go to the 1 day chart. Okay, the 1 day chart is very much red. So let's see what happened to Bitcoin over this 24-hour period. The time of this broadcast being taped is 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time on Sunday. Right now, Bitcoin is trading down for the day. It's red, 24,500. Start of the day, we're 24,600. So it's down for the day. How high did it go? It went all the way up to almost 25,000. That was on our morning show, and we were really excited at the time, that breakout for the upside. But by that time I was taping the afternoon show, you saw this happening with me. I had a live show on that time as well, and suddenly Bitcoin was falling apart, breaking under the 25,000 support level. Tonight, where is it across the board? It's testing the $24,000 support level of 1 day. Here, what is the 1 week chart? Gives us more indication. 1 week chart, we are green for Bitcoin, but where's that support level? It's clear around here, 24,000. If we break under 24,000, we're going to 23,000. If we break under 23,000, we're going all the way over to 22,000. That's 1 week. Let's go to 1 month. Wow. Very, very, very close. You break under it, you can fall all the way to 22,000. 3 month. Yeah, you see what's going on. This little thing at the end here. Don't hold it. We could go all the way to 22, 23. So what do I think is going to happen on Bitcoin tonight, Sunday evening? Bitcoin generally rallies up Sundays and trades down on Saturdays, if you've been watching this channel for the last 2 years. It's clearly trading up right now because you see that little pop. Let's go into a 1 day chart so it's more obvious. There you go. So it's clearly trading up right now. Oh, it went back to red for the 1 day. It's clearly trading up right now. But it's barely holding its position. Now let's jump into another coin to see if it's indicative of the whole market. Decentraland. 1 day chart, green up. Pop at the end of the day. Yes. See that pop at the very end of the day, right here. Went from 71, went up to 72 right now. 1 week chart. Yeah, I got a nice little pop this morning. Got a very, very nice pop this morning. 74, did not hold it. And now for the 1 month chart, it's actually heading negative, red for Decentraland. So if you've been watching this channel over the last 2 years of my crypto coverage, this is what we've generally seen on this channel. Coins generally start to trade up on Sunday afternoons and trade very much down on Saturday afternoons. So let's see if that plays out again tonight. It'll be very fascinating. We'll check back in tomorrow morning on live on air on Mornings LALATE at about 9 a.m. We'll see if that happens across the board. Why is this so important? Because we've had a lot of Sundays in a row, almost 4 Sundays in a row, where we're testing those lower support levels on Bitcoin, and we came out clear. We almost broke under them, and right now we're testing it again. Don't want to keep on testing that lower support level every Sunday on Bit. And the issue is that we're getting close again. We're getting really close again, whether it's Decentraland or whether it's Bitcoin. Here's what's at issue is that is the 1 week chart. And if we do not hold that support, you see how low we can go. Yeah. 3 month. You see how clear that is. We have a pop at the very end of that chart for the 3 month for Bitcoin. If we don't hold that support level right now, we go all the way back down to here with 22,000, 21,000. There's a big difference between 24,000 and 21,000. That's $3,000 drop. We don't want to drop again at all. And we have tested this almost 3 weeks in a row on Sundays on LALATE. That's why you don't want to miss the weekend shows on this channel, especially when it's your stimulus and it's also your money. Because BIT is testing those Sunday support levels once again, indicative of that over for Decentraland. Let's look at the Decentraland. Let's look at another coin right now. Here's Decentraland. I'm in the chart with you. 1 month. Very, very close. Very, very close. 1 week. Ooh, that just happened. That drop at the end just happened while I cut back and forth between BIT and Decentraland. Getting really, really close. So this is why your Sundays are so critical for watching LALATE, and your Sundays are so critical for your coins. Now let's jump over to some income movements across the board. We're trying to find some coins that are breaking out today, and where are our breakout coins? We started them this morning on Mornings LALATE and all in the membership newsletter. Why do you want to become a member if you're into crypto and also stocks? Because this is in the membership newsletter. Every morning, your breakout coins. What are we looking for breakout coins? We're looking for an opportunity to make some money and get in and get out. Income, not investment, income. And our approach is the following. A coin that is over 50 cents, preferably over $1. 2, that is up 15% for the day, potentially even more. And 3, done it before with a coin. So we want to get into a coin that's, let's say, maybe $1 up, $1 coin that is up, let's say 15% right now. Get in and get out, make our 15% for the day and get out and do it again, maybe with the same coin or another coin. And if we do it with the same coin again, that's even better. Burn has done this for us before. So has Wrapped Fill Coin. Wrapped Fill Coin started the day up 19%. We've had a run on this coin before in a 1 day run. It's a $8 coin. It makes total sense to go in and get out. We're not holding it long term. Burn fits our profile. $1 coin, up 27% early today. Perfect sense across the board. Asterisks next to both of them because they are breaking out across the board today, left and right. How do you find those coins? Step 1, go into the video, become a member. They're in the membership newsletter, updated daily at news.lalate.com/newsletter. Become a member and get all this incredible access to this incredible information. The password is delivered from me to you Monday through Friday, shortly after, the password is delivered from me to you every day. In all the posts on the channel that you become a member, go into that incredible password protected newsletter website and look at the breakout coins happening right now so that you can get on the path to some more income. It pays to become a member. There's a few dollars to become a member, and you get all this incredible information for you left and right. It also features your breakout coins and your most incredible coins of the day, and these are some of them. Wrap Fill coin was featured on this morning's update to the membership newsletter. Why do I like it? It's an $8 coin. Good. It's up 19%. Better. And it's had a run like this before for us in one day. Perfect. You're a candidate for us to stalk. Burn. Also featured in the membership newsletter this morning. $1 coin. Great. Up 28% this morning. Great. And it's had a run before. Perfect. The membership newsletter also features major coins and where they're going across the board. So you don't want to miss any of these details left and right. Become a member. Why would you not become a member? Access to all this incredible stimulus, months and months and months of stimulus checks, brand new computer, tablet, free internet, laptop, guidance on your breakout coins, opportunity to stalk those coins, opportunity to make big moves across the board. And also this. Let's jump into the latest details on what's happening with the securities and Wall Street tonight. So tonight we have some other major elements at issue, and those are those comments from Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman, who believes that those treasury yields are going to go higher. Of course they're going to go higher. They're still trying to get a 2% target for inflation. Haven't gotten it yet. We had some corporate earnings that came in after the market closed. DoorDash up 7%, the stock, after it had reported a revenue beat and upward guidance. The company's fourth quarter revenue came in at $1.82 billion, higher than expectations of $1.7 billion, and their losses were greater than expected. Texas Roadhouse, however, dropped 5% after it came in with quarterly earnings and revenue below predictions. Revenue came in at $1.01 billion, missing analysts across the board. DraftKings gained 6% after market after posting a per share loss and revenue that was a little bit much in point with what they were looking for. And Moderna was down 6.7% after its influenza vaccine passed with mixed results in clinical trials.